Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I'm going to show you what's in this little package here. These are a pack of two, 200 and 250mm quick release curved jaw grooved joint pliers. Pack of two. And now they're made by a company called WorkPro. I don't know whether you've heard of them before, but before we get into that, if you're not already a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button and ding the bell, and we'll let you know the next time we've got more content like this one. So let's get straight into the box. This is a bit of an Amazon special. I picked these up to do a very specific job of tightening up some parts under a bath, and what I wanted was a large set of jawed pliers. And I saw this little set too, and they were about, I think they were £12 or £15 for the set, and this is what I got. So you get two in the pack, two different sizes, and very uniquely, well, not uniquely, I suppose, I suspect many of these types of jawed pliers have a mechanism like this, but I liked the look of it. So effectively what you do is you push this little mechanism here, and then you can slide it down to the size that you open it up to the size you want, and then you slide it up to where you are, and it won't move down, but it will move closer to being closed. So enabling you to get a really good grip on something, but then you can lock it in place and just get it to the size you want, and then do the job that you want. So I thought I'd share, and this is the larger one, which is the one I actually really sort of bought the pack for doing the job, because I had a very large nut that I needed to get a good grip on, and this absolutely did the job perfectly. Now, build quality, what do we think? Yeah, I think for the money, these were really good value. I've not come across WorkPro before, but when I Google that, there is an enormous number of tools that they make, and this set has proven to be quite a bargain for what it is. I did have a look at a set of Stanley ones, I think, which were the same price, but you only got one. And it didn't have this locking mechanism. So a win to WorkPro on that. This was a very, very short video, because what else can I tell you about this set of pliers that have a nice soft grip and a locking mechanism? Yeah. If you like this kind of content, please do hit the subscribe button. Links to where you can get them are also in the description. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget, subscribe!